Uh, what you are seeing on the screen?
Question paper, sir.
You are seeing the worksheet, right? Hello, Karim?
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Yeah, you are seeing the worksheet, right? Karim? Hello, Karim?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Are you
sir, I am
seeing
here,
the
sir.
worksheet one in the
Yes, sir,
screen?
I did it. I did it
Okay,
myself.
okay, thank you. Because I am recording it. If you are not seeing it, then uh, it will be not visible in the recording. So the first one you gave C, right? Well, MCQ one you gave C, right?
Yes, sir.
MCQ one, your answer is C, right? Can you
Yes,
check?
sir. Dektisi, sir.
Please check it. Check it. We are correcting it now.
Okay, sir.
One C. If you gave C, then it's correct.
Okay, bye. Sorry, sir, একটু প্রবলেম হচ্ছিল বিকজ অনেকদিন পরে একটা ফ্রেন্ড ফোন দিছে ওকে বাই বলতেছিলাম জাস্ট
Okay, okay, okay.
স্যার ইউ নো অনেক বছর পর ফোন দিলে ইটস সামথিং লাইক 4 ইয়ার্স পরে ওর সাথে কথা হইতেছে
Okay, now he is entertained,
ইয়েস স্যার
right? He is done.
ইয়েস স্যার হি ইজ ডান
Okay, now one C, right?
স্যার একটু চিয়ার আপও হয়ে গেছি এখন পড়তে মজা লাগবে
Very good. So one C, right?
ইয়েস স্যার
Two C.
স্যার আমি তো আপনাকে ওয়ার্কশিটটা দিছি
Mm-hmm. You
ও
you
স্যার মানে
just
ক্রস চেক করবে
I'm just cross checking that is it okay or not. You gave me again. I'm checking it. Okay.
ওকে স্যার
Two C, right?
ইয়েস স্যার 3 and
Three
4B
three.
and 4B
Okay, you gave here volume, right? Volume, to measure the volume. What you need to measure?
sir we actually did micrometer and uh, capillary because if we get to know the outer oh sir we are doing number 2 right or 3
Three. We are talking
yes
about
sir.
three.
If we get the outer means outer circumference then we can just simply deduct the inner circumference then we will get the volume
Okay,
because
volume.
we will find the perimeter and then the length means we already have been giving the length or we will find the length.
Okay, look what they are asking you. Here we are going to measure the volume of
Copper in the pipe.
copper pipe, right? Now
Yes sir.
this is a hollow pipe, right?
Yes sir.
So if you want to measure the volume, then you have to find the internal volume and external volume, right? Then you have to subtract. So to get
But
the
sir, for finding the volume we need also the length.
yes, we are talking about that one. I am going step by step. You have to measure the volume. That's my point. Uh,
Yes, sir.
to measure the volume of the, you know, the copper pipe. It is a hollow
But
pipe and
sir, they
it
also
has,
here said accurately, yes,
yeah,
accurately,
accurately. Yes, correct.
for which we need, yes,
Yes, I am going to that point accurately. So it is a cylindrical object, right?
yes, sir,
For getting the volume of cylindrical shaped object, we have one formula that is pi r square h, right?
yes,
Pi,
sir,
pi r square h or pi r square l. You can use anything, but there is length, right?
yes, sir,
So length of the copper wire, this one they said several meters long. This copper wire is several meters long. Can you recall during our last class on Monday, in one point I told you if the length is more than 1 meter, we should use measuring tape.
yes, sir,
So for this volume measurements, you require measuring tape first for measuring the
yes,
length. So take this point first. In your you I think you did it in your computer, right? In Word file.
yes, sir,
So please, in Word file you can write it. That beside MCQ 3 answer you write this note that more than 1 meter length. That's why uh, we need measuring tape because already we discussed that one. You did mistake. Okay, and
sir. Sometimes it
yeah,
happens.
it happens. I'm not saying it will never be happen, but we what we have to ensure that this same thing we will not happen again. Okay, this mistake will not be repeated. Okay, it happened. It does not mean that you don't know it. You know it, but you did not notice it carefully. What the point?
Yes, sir,
Now tape is there. Now I told you that you have to measure as it is hollow. We have to measure the internal volume and external volume, right? So to measure
yes,
the
sir,
internal volume and external volume, uh, it must be calipers, right? The one you are saying accurately with
but
the
sir,
yeah,
with micrometer we get more accurate. It's more
you,
accurate reading first.
you
Then we will be able to take the outer circumference, then minus the inner circumference, because we don't know that is
you
how
are
much like we need more magnifying ruler than capillary, মানে আমাদের আরো বেশি decimal point লাগতে পারে rather than capillary.
I I appreciate your emotion, huh? I appreciate your logic, but there is another thing that micrometer is made in a way that you cannot measure the internal or external thing, right? It is made in a way that you have to fix the thing in between the what spindle and thimble, right?
Yes, sir.
But this hollow copper pipe is like that. You better to use the calipers, okay? Because calipers it has the arrangement to measure the internal diameter and external diameter, what micrometer does not have. Clear to you?
Getting your point, sir.
Again, Anything else?
No, sir.
Now, now you are convinced what I said.
Yes, sir.
So, what should be the correct option?
Answer D.
Answer
D.
Dhaka.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what you will do, I prefer for my students to do. You gave first B, right?
Yes, sir.
And now you have to uh, keep the answer B. Okay, beside B you give a cross,
Yes, sir.
and
I'm
then
doing that.
yeah, beside B you give a cross, and then you give D, so that you can
No, I'd
recall.
rather don't do that. What I do always is that which one is correct, incorrect. In bracket, I write the correct answer and the reason
Yes,
for
yes,
it.
yes. That is also fine. Thank you. So that you can recall, right?
Yes,
That
sir.
which one you did mistake and how you developed your ideas. So clear this one, three.
Yes, sir.
Now four. Four. You
And B,
gave
sir.
Bangladesh, right?
Yes, sir.
It is very easy question, and this type of questions started coming in O level from 2018. Okay, before that it never came. This type of questions are called estimation. Can you write please beside your MCQ 4? You write estimation. It's coming from your general experience in everyday life. Okay,
Yes, sir.
now five. What you gave for five?
Sir, I gave it A.
Correct. Then six.
Sir, I need to check.
Hmm?
Sir, 6 is D.
Bangladesh.
No, sir. Dhaka.
Dhaka. Dhaka is fine. Then seven. Seven. What you gave?
Sir, 7 was B. Bangladesh.
Mm, again, you see, it's more than 1 meter, right? Length is
Yes, sir.
30 meter. So, what do you think? What should be?
More than 30 meters.
More than 1 meter. That is, length is
Oh,
30
yes,
meter.
sir. More than 1 meter.
Yeah, length is given 30 meter. It is more than 1 meter. So, which instrument should be suitable?
Sir, how could we use rule? I think D is correct, sir.
Dhaka, right?
No, sir. I think China now.
China. Okay. So, why you are taking calipers here?
Sir, because we only need the diameter.
Yeah, diameter of copper wire, but there is specifically they wrote the diameter
Yes,
uh,
sir.
0.50 millimeter. So our accuracy for caliper is 0.1 millimeter, right?
Yes, sir.
But here they gave the digit till 0.01. That means after decimal there are two digits.
Yes, sir.
They could give you zero point 0.5 only. That time you could uh, pick C. But as they gave you after decimal uh, two digits, that's why it's more accurate, and you are using micrometer. Got the point?
Sir, so we will use micrometer.
Yes, here you will use micrometer. tape and micrometer.
Then I was right.
Yeah, you gave B right first.
No, sir. D for Dhaka.
Dhaka. So that I thought that you were saying B.
No, sir.
So that's why I was thinking about tape. It is tape, not rule. Micrometer is fine. So the answer is D, Dhaka, right?
Yes, sir.
Then 8,
Sir, 8 is A. A for America.
yes, correct. 9,
Sir, 9 was blank. I was not able to do it.
why?
I was really confused, sir.
Already we gave you the examples in notes.
Yes, sir,
Haven't you
but
see
I
the
don't know
notes?
how. I know mass is scalar, but acceleration is also scalar and also vector. So I just become a bit confused.
No. Acceleration never was scalar. It was always a vector. You you didn't check the notes.
Sir,
Please,
actually, while doing
please.
the worksheet, I didn't. I thought it would be cheating.
You should. I gave the examples earlier. In
Physics.
learning outcomes, they are also available. Look, here acceleration is there, right? Vector and scalars you have to identify from these all examples, and that's why I gave here all the examples. More examples. Can you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
More examples of vector quantity other than velocity. We have displacement, acceleration, force, weight, moment, momentum, right? So you should go through these notes. Why I gave you these notes, my dear? And scalar quantity, distance, time, mass, temperature. Okay,
Yes, sir.
you can see the note, right?
Yes, sir.
So please go through the notes. And also I gave you the recording that day.
Yes, sir.
So are you going through the recording?
Yes, sir. If I need, I just move to that part and I just watch that
Yeah,
area.
when you are confused with this type of questions, like you can't decide whether it is scalar or vector, you must go through the notes, right? Or the
Yes,
recording.
sir.
Okay, then next, sorry, we have this worksheet one. Okay, so the answer should be 9, the answer should
For
be
D.
Bangladesh.
Yes, sir. Bangladesh.
10,
Yes, sir.
10, what is the answer?
Sir, same, sir. Bangladesh.
Wrong.
How, sir?
The answer is A. The answer should be A.
But, sir, how?
Yeah, that one we are going to find.
Because
Yeah, I am explaining
the
to you.
length of each pace
After
was
some
zero point
time,
0.8 meter.
you will also say A. Just go with me.
Yes, sir.
He takes 100 seconds to walk 160 paces, right?
Pace. Yes, sir.
So 160 paces is the total distance he traveled, right?
Yes, sir.
And each of the pace is 0.80 meter. So what will be the total distance of all the paces?
Sir, it
160.
shall actually be 40 meter.
Let me go more, right? 160 times 0.8. What is the answer?
60 point.
One pace is 0.8. So 160 pace, how much? That one you have to find first. Do you agree?
Just let me check it, sir.
Do you agree? First, tell me that one. That total
Actually, sir,
distance.
I don't.
Hmm?
Sir, actually,
Yeah. If you are not agreeing with you, then I will explain again until you agree.
sir, actually, I think it's wrong.
Which one is wrong?
Sir, 160 to 0.8.
160 times 0.8. This one is
Yes,
wrong.
sir. Yes, sir.
Check
Oh,
which
sir.
one.
Understand, sir. Sorry, sir. বুঝে গেছি, sir.
Okay, what you understood? Tell me.
Sir, because he took 160 paces,
Hmm.
but the thing is that it's 160 paces and one pace is 0.8 centimeter, 8 meters. So first we need to take it into meters and then multiply it with 50.
First,
Means
you
0.5.
make it easier, my dear. Like 160 pace is how many meters? You find that one total distance.
0.8. It's 128 meters, sir.
Yeah, that one is your total distance traveled in 100 seconds. Right?
Yes, sir.
Am I right? So
Yes, sir.
they are asking you in 50 seconds how much you went. In 100 seconds, the person walked, the student walked 128 meter, right?
Yes, sir.
Simple. Then 50 seconds, how much? 128 by 2.
Or 0.5.
Just simply 128 by 2, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then how much it is?
Sir, it's 64.
So what I told you that you will agree with A,
Yes, sir.
right? Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Now, uh, 11. You should write the working, otherwise after some days you will forget
Sir,
again.
actually, I was writing while talking to you. I was doing mind calculations.
Listen. Uh, what you are doing, Karim,
Yes,
uh,
sir.
if you are following that one, that would be better. As you don't have printer, it's better to write on the physics copy. You should have one copy for coaching.
Yes, sir. Actually, mom is gonna bought it today.
Yeah, you should buy it soon
She
and
has gone outside today, just a
yeah,
few moments ago.
you should buy it very soon and you should preserve it. Hmm, that will be better for you because if you are not writing this working, then after some days you cannot recall how you did it. Okay,
Yes, sir.
it's not only one question. This way you will get hundreds of questions after another worksheet you will get. Lots of worksheet you will get for 27 topics. That time you will forget. Okay, then 11, continue.
Sir, it's A, America.
Okay, diameter and length, right? So, yeah, it is correct. A. Then
Sir, then it's D.
D, correct.
Sir, again America.
13.
Sir, Bangladesh. No,
13,
no, no, sir. It's America, America.
how?
Sir, because you see that we want the circumference of the beaker, not along with the wooden blocks. So the side which have touched the beaker circumference, we will take that uh, of the right left hand side, and the right hand side, means
Mm-hmm.
the side which have touched the beaker's circumference. Then we will just subtract right hand side minus left hand side, for which
To
we will
get the
get
diameter.
4.5.
To
Yes, sir, to
get the
get the diameter.
diameter. So it is.
But sir, simply we can just do one thing, that because you see there is a bench.
Mm-hmm.
There is a bench, and the diagram is showing that after the beaker is settled, the wooden blocks are touching the beaker along with the ruler. Means the ruler is also touching the beaker, for which we can only just measure the one of the wooden blocks, the face which is showing.
Mm-hmm.
Sir, did you understand?
Yeah, but yeah, another thing is here given one, right?
Yes, sir.
Then two, three, 3.5.
Yes, sir.
Here you have eight, right?
Yes, sir.
Four, five, six, seven, eight. So eight minus 3.5.
It's 4.5.
Clear? This way is easier.
Yes, sir. But sometimes actually simple calculations are very hard for us for sometimes. For
Really?
which I was just saying saying an easy way.
Yeah, 14.
Yes, sir. 14 is C. C for Canada.
Mm-hmm. Then 15,
Sir, Bangladesh, sir.
16,
Sir, Denmark.
mm,
Sir,
17,
Australia.
mm, 18,
Antarctica.
19.
Cambodia. As for means C.
Mm. Then structured questions.
Yes, sir. Scalar was which can be measured and has magnitude but no direction.
Mm.
And vector is which has both vector and magnitude. Sorry, sir. I just wanted to write direction. Mistakenly, I just wrote vector.
Direction, right?
Yes, sir.
It has direction and magnitude both. Then B. B, the way you did, I saw it.
Yes,
Uh, and there is how much you got the resultant over there?
sir. We didn't got any resultant. We
Uh,
were just given the.
yeah, yeah, that one I saw, and that's why I'm asking you. They are saying on figure 1.1, draw a vector diagram to determine the magnitude of the resultant of the two forces. So you have to uh, use
Add them
this.
up.
Yeah, you have to use this diagram to get the magnitude of the resultant of the two forces. So how to do? You should do it on paper, otherwise it will not work.
Sir, you can use annotate.
You should use ruler, the ruler you had.
Yes, sir. I was just saying that you can use annotate on your screen sharing. Then you'll be able to tell me what you actually want to show on the paper.
Hmm. Yeah, I'm showing. I'm going to do that one now. Look, here you have two forces, right? 6
Yes, sir.
Newton and 8 Newton. So 6 Newton, uh, you can take this one as 6 Newton. You can take this one as 8 Newton, right? So if each of the Newton is 1 centimeter in scale, like this one Newton is 1 centimeter. Okay, then 6 Newton will be 6 centimeter, right?
Yes, sir.
Karim, so this line you, with your ruler, you make it 6 centimeter. Okay?
Sir, I just didn't understand, miss. The forces in which two acting are actually these lines.
Yes.
Oh, sir, then which I did was wrong, right?
Yes. Look, they told you in between 6 Newton and 8 Newton, there is 40 degree. And you see figure 1.1 shows two lines at an angle of 40 degree to one another. Angle between them is 40 degrees. So you should make this line as 6 centimeter long on your paper, and this line 8 centimeter long. Okay,
Yes, sir.
exactly. Then complete the parallelogram. After completing the parallelogram, take this diagonal length. Check with your ruler how many centimeters it is. That much centimeter means that much Newton. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
So you can do it now.
I think, sir.
Now, if I give you 5 minutes, can you do it and tell me the resultant? Hmm?
Try, sir.
Yeah, please. On the paper you have to do, not on the soft copy. Clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Please do it. And after doing this, I will give you a test paper. After completing this worksheet, then I will give you the test paper. Okay, you have to take a test today. Is it okay?
Sir, he should have informed me. I should have been prepared.
No problem. If you are thinking that you are not prepared, take it next class.
No, sir, I will give.
I think you can do it because it's easy, right?
Yes, sir, it
You
would
told
be,
me
I
that you
think
know
so.
everything. It's simple. That day you are saying you have all these ideas, so you are already
Sir,
prepared.
actually, it's about mental preparation.
Huh?
It's actually about mental preparation. Like when what do I say? On the first online exam classes, when we heard, we thought it would be so hard, but it was actually mental preparation, or else it would really have
That's
been
why
hard
I'm
for
asking
us.
you. That's why I'm asking you. If you are mentally uh, feeling strong that yes you can do
Sir,
it,
I will give it. I will give it.
then I can give you no problem. So should I close it or it can be open? It can
Sir,
be
test copy.
no, this one, the class meeting.
Okay, sir, I will just give the test now.
Mm-hmm.
I will give the test now.
No. I want you to do it first. I'm saying that should I give you 5 minutes break for you so that you can solve it and tell me the answer.
Sir, actually, I didn't understand. Which one are you talking about? This worksheet or the test?
I'm saying that this worksheet you finish first. Then today, if you want, I will give you the test paper. Okay. So I want to give the break Now
No,
for
sir, I don't
doing,
need a break. I will just finish it fast and
okay, do it fast. Then tell me the answer.
it's a test. Sir, are you giving me the question? Sir,
Yes, Karim.
sir, are you going to give me the exam paper like online exams or normal ones? Like I need to type in word and then give you back.
Like, I'll give you the PDF file.
Sir,
You,
could
you
you
will
just
write
give
the
me
answer
the
on
way
your copy.
you held the online exams?
Sorry.
Sir, could you give me the way in which you held the online exams? Like just MCQs type.
Actually, it takes lots of time to make online exam. Okay. So for each
Oh,
of the topics, it's quite difficult to make for us now.
okay, so you give me the.
We are giving
Sir,
you
there
what is
are
already prepared, right? Already
yes, sir.
made
But
by
then
us.
I would need 1 hour because you see, I need to type them. I need to see the questions, then go back to Word, type them,
Yeah, yeah. I will
change,
give you some extra
and
time.
I'm a bit slow in typing.
No problem. I will give you some extra time.
Thank you, sir.
10 minutes extra you will get. No problem. But better to do on copy and then scan with camera scanner. Then you
Sir,
send me.
actually, that phone is not with me now. My sister is doing classes on it. She's doing IELTS with Mahmoud sir, for which, and also maths. She's also giving math mocks, so for which she needs to constantly pick up, scan the pages and give it to him. He checks them and says, is it correct or not?
You are not taking for the whole day. If she is not doing work now, then you can take, right?
No problem,
Check
sir.
it.
I will give
Check
it to
it.
the word.
Check it that if she is not working, then you can send.
Sir, I'm getting her voice over here.
You need to scan it after 1 hour, right? Now
Okay, sir.
still the worksheet is going on. When you will start the test, that time
Sir,
you
where will I get the PDF? Means in Messenger or in Gmail? It would be better if it's in Messenger.
Gmail is official thing. But Messenger today we are using, tomorrow we cannot use, right? It may happen. It is unofficial thing. Email is
Yes, sir, I understand.
email is keeping the records permanently. But Messenger, you have to scroll back, and after some days it may not be possible to go so much back.
Sir, actually in Gmail, I have set it up things to means whoever sends me an email goes to a folder. If I just go there and find in the folder, I will get the 4 5. It's easier for me.
Yeah, Gmail is better. Messenger is not, giving you lots of benefits. It has some limitations. So you are done?
Sir,
Are you done with the diagram?
yes, sir. Yeah, hang can.
What is the value of resultant?
Sir, it should be.
Hmm?
Sir, it should be 14.
It's not exactly 14, it's around 13. Okay. However,
So
you are
I
very,
just rounded it up.
yeah, you maybe you had some problems with making angle. With protractor, you have to get the angle correctly, 40 degree, and you have to measure the sides 6 centimeter and 8 centimeter accurately, and draw the diagram. That means complete the parallelogram accurately, again with 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter. Then it will come uh, accurate around 13. It will be 13.1. Okay. So Karim, you understood the process, right?
Yes, sir.
This is the way to find the magnitude of the resultant. There is also one way and one thing, that is, you sometimes they are asking you to find the direction. So how to get the direction?
Sure, we will just means if those two directions means the forces are in two different ways, then we will just find the angle between it and divide it by 2 and draw a line straight through that.
It's not so difficult. Direction means you have to find the angle between the resultant and any of the sides.
Yes, sir.
So if your resultant is here, then you will find what is the angle between 8 Newton and the resultant. Then you have to write the, you have to check with the protector. If you find that protector is giving you 20 degree, then you say resultant is making 20 degree with 8 Newton force. Okay, you got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just 1.5 minute. Wait, Azan is going on. Hmm? So Karim, thank you
Yes,
for your patience, and you understood about the direction what I told, right?
yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Now, question two. Can you continue reading and tell me the answers?
Yes, sir.
Continue reading question two and tell me the answers.
Yes, sir. Two of the SI unit based units are their units are mass and length, means meter and kg, mass and length. Name three other SI based quantities and their units.
Yeah. So tell me the answer. Karim. Hello, Karim. Karim. Hello, Karim.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes. I muted you.
Sir, I don't know, sir. I was just talking and recently you were just saying hello, sir, hello, sir. Sorry, hello, Karim, and then I just check and saw mute.
Okay, okay. Please tell me the answers. Question two.
Yes, sir. Quantity is 2 and unit is centimeter. Quantity is 4 and unit is liter. And quantity is 7, unit is kilometer.
No, they are talking about base quantities, not like
Oh,
any
base quantities.
numerical.
Then we can use joules.
We have only seven base quantities, right?
Yes, sir.
So they gave examples of two, mass and length, and then you have to mention three more quantities name and their units, SI units. You should correct
Yes,
your
sir. I get
worksheet.
it.
You forgot all of them in notes I gave you, and also that day we discussed.
So I actually saw unit. I did saw base unit.
Mhm.
I saw the unit for which I just
What you are doing? You are
passed.
checking the notes, or you are trying
No,
to
sir.
remember what?
So I was just trying to remember, but sir, liter is correct, isn't it?
You have already meter as unit, and already
No,
you
sir,
have.
liter.
No, no,
L
liter is
for
not there. Base quantity is not liter.
yes, quantity is in there.
It's the derived quantity, not base quantity. Liter, is related to milliliter, right? 1,000
Yes,
milliliter,
sir.
and one milliliter means 1 cc. Cc means cubic centimeter. 1 cubic centimeter. Okay, so
Yes,
1,000 cc is 1 liter. So how can it be base quantity? It is a derived quantity.
sir. Then we can use time, ampere, and mole.
You can use time. Then time is your quantity, physical quantity, right? And its unit is second. Here you write time, then here you write second. Then you said ampere. Ampere is the unit, so you should write ampere here, and the quantity is current.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and another one you can write temperature.
Sir, we can also write mole, chemistry.
Yeah, mole is that is amount of substance. The quantity you should write here amount of substance, and the unit is mole. Okay,
Yes, sir.
this way you can do. Is it clear to you how to write?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then continue. B.
Sir, shall I tell you the answers one by one?
Yeah, yeah, please.
In prefix, there are two answers. The first is mega beside M and tera beside T. The symbol of centi is C,
Hmm.
and the power of 10, which is 10 to the power minus 9, it is of nano.
Yes, you are correct for all. Then, uh,
Sir, then nothing, sir.
then, uh, are you ready for the test,
Yes, sir.
or you want to take some time till the next class?
No, sir. I don't. Sir, till the next class.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
What can you do? What can you do? I actually want to see your worksheet again, the corrected one.
So the corrected one.
Yeah, yeah.
So just sending you that.
When you can send me tomorrow?
Sir, just now.
How you can send me? You have finished it in your copy, right? The
Not
angles,
copy, sir. I
the
jot
resultant.
down everything. I jot down everything on the board, and I also write descriptions. Sir, is the class over?
No, the class is not
Sir?
over. The class is not over. The class is 1.5 hours.
Okay, sir.
Can you tell me your email address, Karim?
Yes, sir. I'm just writing in the chat box, then it will be
No,
easier
no,
for
no.
me.
You tell me.
AKARIM
Makarim. Then
KHAN112@gmail.com.
again say Makarim. Then
Email Karim Khan
Khan Khan
112@gmail.com.
100
And at 12.
112, right? Karim Khan 112, right? Hello, Karim
Yes, sir.
112, right?
Yes, sir.
2@gmail.com. Okay, test one. So, are you preparing the worksheet, Karim?
Yes, sir.
How long it will take?
Sir, 10 minutes.
10 minutes more. So, the class should be closed then. If it is taking 10 minutes, then after 10 minutes, when you are done, you send me and you leave a message in the messenger that you are sending the worksheet. After that, I will send you the test paper. Okay. Hello.
Sir, can I give the test tomorrow then? Sorry, in the next class?
Okay, fine. No problem. Then we are closing the class now. You send me that worksheet today. Okay.
Yes, sir,
Test
I'm
will be,
working on it.
yeah. Test will be taken next class. Okay. Allah Hafiz.
Okay, sir, have a nice day.